about so what I call options, but the example I took, it's about media options that you can configure from app settings, but it could be useful to have a naming page to show exactly if it has been correctly set and what are the actual values you are using.
So here, I think you showed it to us during a triage. That's an interesting idea. I think we all agreed when we talked about it. It's a read-only version of the options that you can define in app settings. So, but hand-picked list, because you don't want to show the connection string here, but we want to show anything that might be interesting to understand what's happening on a site without having to go on the file system and open the app settings file or find whichever app settings contain this setting and understand, oh, I get it now. We don't accept the SVG files, so that's why we can't upload them. So it's an access, it's like accessing the logs of the system. Here it's accessing the configuration just to read them, to display them in the UI. So that's cool.
Yeah, I think it's quite useful to see things like the supported sizes, because I can never remember what I've said on my systems.
Correct.
That varies from time to time, and you need to know that as you're writing templates and so I think it's quite useful.
The kind of features you only know that you need it when you build websites.
Mm-hmm.
And when you have websites in prod and you're like, okay, I would like to have that. So that's why I don't know that we needed that. I don't build websites. So that's it. So and what we said also is that this is for the media, and this is totally fine to do that for other kind of options, as long as we organize them in a specific section and people know where to find them. Probably with the group ID, that would be nice to have the subsection to use the same technique as well. Maybe too much of extensibility, but yeah, just a menu item where we can put more pages like this. So, or tabs, will it make sense to have a single page and that people just create tabs on that?
There's too many options classes for the tabs, I think.
So pages, okay.
And a lot of them, probably the ones that we would show, would relate to things like media, so they'll categorize nicely under a media settings option.
Okay. Cool, very nice. If we could have two option classes, that will help people know where to put the third one and so on.
Yes.
Otherwise, if we just have one, they might also replicate the top page and things like this. So that's good to have two to bootstrap the people. Yeah, great, thank you.